Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Myro the Dog token. Ticker symbol is Myro, M-Y-R-O. This token is on the Solana blockchain and it just got a brand new central exchange listing on a very big central exchange starting today, November 21st. We're going to go over the information on Myro and how you can get this token in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here, Myro. So Myro is getting a brand new central exchange listing today, November 21st at 14 hours UTC time on a very big central exchange called Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search MYRO, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So you can find their Telegram at Myro SOL, which is short for Solana. It says the Solana founder's dog. So I guess whoever founded Solana has a dog, and that dog is named Myro. So that's in the crypto world. You know, there's tokens named after Elon Musk's animals. Probably, you know, the Binance guy's animals. Probably CZ has a dog, I'm sure, or a cat or something. Anyways, 2,463 subscribers on their Telegram, so they're doing pretty well there. Now, like I mentioned, this token is on the Solana blockchain. You can check out their Sol scan. We'll do that in 1 sec. So Myro is a decentralized cryptocurrency that is powered by the Solana blockchain. It's a community-driven project that is dedicated to making cryptocurrency more accessible and fun for everyone. So that's the introduction there. So, so far they have 7,397 holders, doing pretty well there, 9 decimal places on this token, a market cap of a little bit over $8.5 million. Price of the token today is about around 8/10 of a penny. And then we have a current supply of almost 1,999,999,903 tokens. Probably started with 1 billion and it's deflationary, I would assume. Now, they also have a Twitter, which I always put on the screen here so you guys can easily find this project. It has the mint address right there. Myro Sol is the address on x.com. Gold verified checkmark, 440 tweets, 7,610 followers, and then it has a link to their webpage right there. You can find myrothedog.com. Their Twitter just joined in April 2023, so this is a brand new project. So welcome to Myro. Myro the dog, named after Solana co-founder, the co-founder Raj Gokhal's dog Myro. So you can get this token since it's a Solana token. You know, if you wanted to get it off a decentralized exchange, it looks like you can get it off Radium. I think there's another one here too somewhere. Maybe, oh no, it just says to store in the Phantom wallet. But yeah, Radium, there could be another decentralized exchange there. But yeah, so Mexc Global, Radium, those are 2 places you can get this token. So Myro is a decentralized cryptocurrency powered by Solana. It's a community-driven project. Myro is more than just a crypto. It is also a movement. We believe that cryptocurrency has the potential to change the world for the better, and we are committed to making it more inclusive and welcoming for everyone. With Myro, we have created a revolutionary digital currency that is designed for simplicity, security, and accessibility. Our goal is to provide a seamless crypto experience for everyone, whether you're an experienced trader or a curious beginner. Myro is here to meet your needs and assist you in exploring the world of digital currencies. So if you did want to get it off Radium with a Phantom wallet, they do have a step-by-step. It says buy Radium, get a Phantom wallet, purchase Sol, send it to your Phantom wallet, then swap some Sol for your Myro on Radium. So some of the features of this project here, it's very much a meme token, but it has some meme utility here. So they have the Myro merch. So Myro holders can purchase exclusive Myro merch such as t-shirts, hats, and hoodies. There's community events, so Myro hosts regular community events such as voice chats, forums, and contests. Utilities, many utilities to be announced soon after launch, so they don't tell you what it is yet, but it says LP is burned forever. There is 0% buy and sell tax, so on Radium you probably won't have to do slippage or anything like that. Myro is a viral narrative based on Solana's co-founder's pet dog becoming a staple in the Solana meme coin space. Myro will be more than just a meme coin, featuring several unique use cases to be announced further after launch. The Myro movement is like no other on the Solana blockchain, bringing dog lovers from all around the crypto space and uniting them into one. With the Solana blockchain and Solana making huge returns over the last month, it's time for Myro to set the new standard for meme coins on the Solana blockchain. So they do have some frequently asked questions, like how do I buy and sell Myro? So the answer is obviously, it says Jupiter, so that's another decentralized exchange. So it says you can get it on centralized exchanges or decentralized exchanges like Radium and Jupiter. So Mexc Global is the brand new central exchange. And then it says it will be listed on major central exchanges worldwide. And it says currently there is no roadmap or white paper. However, we are working to complete these and announce them to the public soon. And then at the bottom of their webpage, they have a link to their Telegram and Twitter, and that is basically about it. Cool artwork on their webpage, though. Check it out, myrothedog.com. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there, and thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.